Oh, this is so much fun. It's like kids getting out on the playground for the first time. Proud dad here. Alright guys, so I just made a cool little contraption, I think, for my chickens. I made a little chicken tunnel, expanding their run quite a bit. Come with me as you could see the excitement through the eyes of a young chicken finally getting to explore some new area here. Here, this is the part of their run where I cut into it. This is the first part of their tunnel here. And there's a hole I cut through that part. And then there's a tunnel here. And they're here for the first time, digging around through the leaves, looking for worms. There's actually a log there, a big log with a hole in it that's part of their little obstacle course here. None of them has tried to get through there yet. Look at these ladies go. Oh, the first one made it through the tunnel here. Good job, Brownie. Brownie, I don't want to say I have a favorite, but Brownie I think is my favorite chicken. Brownie's an Americana that lays beautiful bluish green eggs. It's a good chicken. There they go. They figured out their way through. Very good job. Now here are your leghorns. They're usually not much known much for their scavenging. They're more known for their egg laying, but they're joining in on the party too. They're typically happy just in their coop, but these guys are seeing what all the fuss is about over here too, in their new run area. Let's see if any of them make it to the end. Why is this so fascinating for me to watch? Look at what these chickens are doing. Look how dark that soil is. Back here in this area, there's a tree here that just drops tons of leaves every year, and the soil is just so dark. And these birds are looking for worms. They're looking for food. Here, you got some treats. Treats over here, guys. You want any more treats? Just Brownie. Here you go. There's more stuff over here. I'm also doing a little checking here to make sure. I just put this together using scrap woods as I have. I didn't spend anything on this other than what I already had laying around. There you go, guys. I probably added a good 30 feet at least of extra space for them to basically free range in a more protective way, so aerial predators won't be able to get through this little gate. This is not chicken wire. I wish I had more chicken wire. I used chicken wire where I had it until I ran out, and I'm just using this stuff. But yeah, these guys made it to the end of the run. I actually have plans, I think, to make it go a little bit further down, but I ran out of scrap woods and fencing that I had just laying around. So this is how far they are so far. But just to give you a perspective how far this is. It starts here, goes back behind my compost bins, and makes an L back into the back of their run there. So this is kind of cool. I've wanted to do this for a long time. I wanted it to look a little bit prettier, but you know what? I don't think the chickens really care. Maybe I can make it look, maybe I could paint the wood or something at some point, make it look prettier, but I don't think the chickens care. I'm hoping that this will have them be healthier birds. They'll be able to have more access to bugs and worms this way. And won't rely so much on eating the grains for their feed, they'll be able to scavenge, and that's what birds naturally want to do, is look for bugs and worms. This guy, it's black copper Moran. This one was the first one to start laying out of my new chickens. Beautiful dark chocolate colored eggs. And as soon as I got the rooster started going after this one pretty bad. And I think I need to separate this from the pack. There's the rooster there. Rooster Rocky really likes to pick on this guy. Hopefully he'll start leaving her alone so she can get back to laying eggs, because she's been a little stressed, hasn't been laying eggs. I'd like to see more eggs. Oh, this is so much fun. It's like kids getting out on the playground for the first time. Proud dad here. All right, nobody's escaping so far, so that's good. You be a good boy, Rocky. Don't be picking on my girls. Especially Brownie. Brownie's my favorite. Alright, so that's all I'm going to share in this video. I just got excited. I've been working on this for a few hours, and just wanted to share how excited the birds are to be out free-ranging, kind of, in a protected environment. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a like if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on backyard farming and chickens, all stuff homesteading like that. I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey white leghorns, I'm going to expect some darker yolks in your eggs tomorrow morning. You hear? Look at these guys sticking together.